Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for businesses looking to thrive in a sustainable future: ZED Certification. ZED, or Zero Defect Zero Effect Certification, is a revolutionary initiative aimed at promoting sustainable manufacturing practices in India. It encourages companies to enhance their operational efficiency while reducing their environmental impact. The ZED certification framework not only helps businesses eliminate defects in their products, but also ensures that their operations do not harm the environment. It's a comprehensive approach to quality and sustainability. So, what are the key benefits of ZED certification? Enhanced quality. Businesses are encouraged to adopt best practices, leading to fewer defects and higher product quality. Cost savings. By improving operational efficiency, companies can significantly reduce waste and costs. Market competitiveness. Certification sets businesses apart in a competitive market, attracting environmentally conscious consumers. Regulatory compliance. It ensures adherence to environmental regulations, avoiding potential fines and sanctions. Brand reputation. ZED certification enhances a brand's image as a sustainable and responsible choice. The certification is beneficial for all types of businesses, from large manufacturers to small-scale industries. It promotes a culture of continuous improvement and sustainability. Obtaining ZED certification involves a few essential steps. Self-assessment. Companies begin by assessing their current practices against the ZED framework. Implementation. Next, they implement improvements to meet the criteria outlined in the certification standards. Third-party audit. A qualified agency conducts an audit to verify compliance with the ZED requirements. Certification issuance. Upon successful audit completion, the business receives its ZED certification. Business owner. Achieving ZED certification has transformed our operations. We've seen a notable reduction in waste and improved product quality. Business owner. Not only has our efficiency improved, but we've also attracted more customers who appreciate our commitment to sustainability. In conclusion, ZED certification is more than just a badge. It's a commitment to excellence and environmental stewardship. As we move towards a more sustainable future, businesses that embrace these principles will lead the way.